is Down Palmer with GoldStar ATM. Today we're going to be going over how to change the passcode on your vault lock. So you're going to go ahead and unlock the front fascia to your GenMega G2500. And then right here you'll see a few orange stickers with some instructions on how to change the code on the keypad. So right here the first step is going to be to enter 22 star, and then you'll do your current 6-digit code, which in this case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pound, and then you'll do your new 6-digit code. In this case we'll just keep it the same, and then the code repeated. And then now your new password is changed on your GenMega G2500 electronic vault lock.